there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed that exhaust video for my Subaru WRX STI, and really this video is a quick little update to talk about my Invidia Q300 exhaust which I fitted on my car about 2 years ago. Now back then I did do an original video where I compared my stock exhaust to the Invidia Q300, and that video was just me revving in my driveway as a bit of a comparison. So thought I'd kind of jump in and produce a little bit of a second video, obviously include some driving noises and things like that, but also talk about how the experience has been. Now obviously this video here has quite a lot of editing wizardry in, but what it is certainly doing is showing you exactly what the Q300 sounds like on the road. Now just to confirm, what I have done in this video is I have put a microphone on the very back of the car right near the exhaust to get most of those exhaust noises. So you are hearing the purest exhaust noise that you could possibly get from the car, but just also take that with a grain of salt that you are hearing it as close as you can possibly be. Now in that video there were some clips where the car did drive around, and those clips were taken from where the camera was on the road. So that you kind of got a good comparison between those two exhaust notes there. So with the Q300, obviously I've had it 2 years now, and this is really a follow-up to a before and after comparison video I put up a couple of years ago. And really my experience with the Q300 has been really, really good. Now, I obviously probably do wish it was just a little bit louder. I have come from another WRX that had a Canon exhaust and a lot more engine work, and I do miss some of those notes that I used to get from that car. But overall, this is a really safe bet. So yeah, talking about the most commonly asked questions on the Q300, obviously this exhaust is basically 99% drone free. There basically isn't any, so I don't think you will need to worry. And on top of that too, due to the kind of more subtle volume that this exhaust has, I've never had any unwanted attention from police or anything like that either. It has been completely fine. Now in terms of that exhaust noise, as I said, it does sound really good, and occasionally you do get those nice crackle and pops too when you want them to, especially if you're downshifting and you might tap the accelerator on your way down at the same time. And those titanium tips have held up for the last 2 years as well. They're still very, very blue. I did read when I bought this that some people had them fade and things like that, but so far they've been holding up perfectly fine. So really the exhaust has been really, really good to me. And yeah, so overall guys, I think I would describe the Q300 as a really safe bet for your car. Look, in my opinion, it probably looks the best out of all the exhausts out there. It doesn't have any drone at all, essentially. I would say it's 99% drone free. I don't get any unwanted attention from police or anything like that. And let me tell you, there's been a few times I've spent sort of 10, 15 minutes driving next to them and there's been no problems at all. So overall guys, like, I don't think you would need to worry too much if you did go into the Q300. And while there are some louder options out there, obviously they do come with the consequence of more drone, more attention and things like that. So you really do need to weigh up what you like. If I had my time over again, and maybe even going into the future when I start adding more mods to the car, I might consider upgrading to something a little bit louder, but probably for the time being, I'm pretty happy with what I have. And yeah, I'll leave a few more exhaust videos at the end of this video, but otherwise, if you like this video, guys, please think about liking and subscribing to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. Otherwise, we'll see you around for the next video. Have a good one. See ya.